What's up, bargain family? Welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna see what's new at Dollar Tree, starting off with Halloween crafting. You guys, they have so many cute new things like this glass laboratory flask. This is new to Dollar Tree, two come in a pack. And you guys know me, I love to do fake potions on my channel. They also have these mini glass bottles. There's 3 different ones to choose from. They have the labels already on there. I wanted to make a cabinet of oddities for Halloween. I got these wooden boxes from Dollar Tree and wood slats. I used a wood stain on the wood boxes and slats. Then after they are dry, I glue the slats and boxes together. I used 3 slats and 4 boxes. I didn't like the gaps between the boxes, so I got a popsicle stick, cut it down, and then glue that where the gaps are, and ended up staining on top of that. Now for the flask, the easiest way to make potions is just with water and food coloring. And then some of the flask, I was able to push things inside of it like moss, fake spiders, and little bones. I ended up cutting out little pieces of popsicle sticks that I glued to the wooden slats, and then right on top of to really just bring an extra touch to this. That's how I DIY'd my own little cabinet of oddities using Dollar Tree products. I really like the little flask. They're so cute. And then those little potion bottles that have the labels, you can just get a crate from Dollar Tree, stain it, and then glue the little bottles to it. That way they don't fall off when you move this thing around, and you just have another little cute piece. I love the glitter spiders. They bring them in every year. This time around though, they do have a larger size. They have purple, black, and orange. They've got the gnomes. The gnomes look kind of messed up. They look like they got like mice hair. I don't know. I don't really like the gnomes this time. They've got a bunch of DIY wood pieces, but let me show you guys. These huge DIY pieces. These are so much bigger than what Dollar Tree usually carries. They got a pumpkin and a ghost. I'm a professional. I told you guys, there's people in the store. It's just that I'm dodging the people. A lot of these they have had in years past. You can actually buy a few of these and make some t-shirts using them and some bleach. Let's do that right now. What you can do with those DIY pieces is get some t-shirts. Dollar Tree has a bunch to choose from, and they have them in Halloween colors right now. What you're gonna do is you're also gonna get an empty spray bottle and some bleach. You're gonna pour the bleach inside of the spray bottle. Before you start spraying, get something like a piece of cardboard to stick inside of the shirt to keep it straight and stop the bleach from going to the other side of the shirt. Now take your wood pieces that you got and place them on top of the shirt and start spraying. Make sure you do this on a surface you don't mind getting bleach on top of. And then after you're done spraying, let that bleach soak in. You can then remove the wood piece and see the design on top of the shirt. Make sure you wash this after you do this, but these turn out so cool and they're really inexpensive to make. They also got spell books, ceramic spell books, and I'm so excited about this. The only one I don't like the eye one. The eye one creeps me out, but I really like the one that has the spiders on it. Oh, these are gonna be so fun to craft with. I ended up getting a couple of these. I recommend starting with your base color and then going in with your shading color, your highlighting color, and any other colors you're gonna use for detailing. Though I do really like these, I prefer the ones I recently made. These are nice because they're already done. All you really have to do is paint them. They don't have much of a realistic look to them. The ones I recently made, I'll link down below for you guys. I like the way those look better, like I said. And I also made one where there's a moving eyeball. It's a new video and I'll link it down below, like I said. It's really cool. They're bringing back the Christmas trees. I made a big one using a few of these last year. And this time around, they got tree collars for the Halloween stuff because last year they didn't. They've got a bunch of wreath hangers in right now. Ones that have nothing on them, and the decorative ones, they have a bat, hand, and ghost. Whoa, these are new to Dollar Tree. It's these wreath decoration kits. There's Frankenstein, a witch, and a ghost. What you do is you just tie these to a wreath that you DIY or one you already have on hand. So this one I always use for fall, and all I had to do was tie my ghost to the wreath. I got one of those wreath hangers from Dollar Tree. You guys, Michael's is carrying the exact same ones for $5.99. Anyways, I hung my wreath off of the wreath hanger. This was so easy to do, and it instantly took an old wreath that I just used for fall to something that can be used for Halloween. Simple as that. Dollar Tree recently got in these mesh bags, 3 for $1.25. They are so great, I'm telling you, for organizing, especially board games and your kids' toys. The main toys Cooper plays with on a daily basis are in this basket that we keep in the front room because this is where we spend most of our time as a family. So I like to keep things inside of these mesh bags from Dollar Tree because if I just keep them loose like this, If you know anything about toddlers, he just dumps it out and then you're stuck picking up all these little things. These come in especially handy when it comes to puzzles. Nothing drives me more nuts than when you're doing a puzzle with your kid. They don't care that you're missing a piece, but you, on the other hand, drives you insane. Now you're stuck trying to find a missing puzzle piece underneath the couch, but instead you find an old sandwich your toddler didn't eat from a week ago covered in feathers. It's not fun finding gross hidden objects around the house, but it's fun to find hidden objects on our sponsor for this video, June's Journey. June's Journey is a hidden objects mystery game with a detective storyline where you play as June, who is trying to solve the murder of her sister and brother-in-law. To unravel this mystery, you will have to progress through hidden object levels to collect evidence and clues. Each new scene takes you further through a thrilling murder mystery story. These hidden object levels are absolutely beautiful. The scenes take you back to the 1920s with the beautiful decor and settings. As you advance through June's journey, you'll meet different characters and run into different stories, uncovering her friends and family's many hidden secrets. You'll have to earn coins and flowers along the way that you can use to customize, fix up, and expand your estate's property. Like I said, it's not fun finding gross hidden objects in real life, but in June's Journey, it's so much fun. I've been playing June's Journey for a long time now. I literally play this game every single night. I've mastered 78 levels so far. I find this game so relaxing to play after a long day, and I like seeing how fast I can get a scene completed. You can download June's Journey for absolutely free by clicking the link in the description box below. You can also scan the QR code here on the screen to download June's Journey. June's Journey is available for Android and iOS mobile devices, as well as PC through Facebook Games. Thank you so much to June's Journey for sponsoring this video. If you can download it, it would mean a lot to me. Like I said, it's absolutely free, and when you guys help my sponsors out, that in turn really helps my channel. See, Noelle said, download the app. It helps Mom's channel. Anyways, let's continue on with the video. So they're bringing in a bunch of items for school. I really like these lunch storage towers. So basically there's a little area right here where you can put dip inside of it, and then you can put like your vegetables, whatever you want. And then they also have these ice pack containers. So these are new to Dollar Tree. I want to give this a try. They got the sandwich containers, ooh, and then the soup mugs, all new for the school season. I really like the food storage options. When you open up the lid of the ice pack one, you will see the ice pack on the bottom of the lid. Just remove it and stick it in your freezer to get it frozen. I couldn't tell you how long it keeps your food cool for though. Then the yogurt cup is really neat. Fill it up with yogurt. Now the piece that is between the cup and the top has a spoon attached to it. So all you have to do is open it up, and it's really convenient. Then the very top of the cup, you can put granola in it or your other favorite toppings. My favorite is the lunch storage tower. There is a container in there for condiments. So if you put vegetables in your tower, you can use that container to put ranch inside of. It's pretty neat. And the sandwich container is self-explanatory. I really like these and see them being a convenience for people, and especially when it comes to packing up your lunches for children. Wow, for just $1.25, you can get these Star Wars coding kits right now. So basically, there's this little circle thing that you or your kid will put together. It's real easy to do. When your hand hovers over this circle, it triggers a light, and that light matches up with your hand movements. So if you raise your hand, the light will go away. You lower the hand, the light comes back. Place your hand on the left side, it starts to light up on the left. On the right, it lights up on the right. You get the point. There is an app you can download to play some coding games. With the circle, you can move your hand to swing lightsabers, levitate X-Wings, pilot starships, make Force lightning, Jedi mind trick stormtroopers, and so much more. This game, I would say though, is heavily geared to kids or adults that like to do coding. Oh my gosh, I recently got Pepper this Hershey's dog toy, and it was the only one I saw, but look, they have a Kisses one and a Reese's one. I have to buy these. The day I was recording these, I just so happened to have my parents' dog over and my in-laws' dog over. The one in the middle is from my in-laws, and then the one on the right is my parents' dog. These dogs all fight like they are siblings, so I only had 2 toys. They were just going back and forth with the 2 toys. It was so cute, you guys, just to see them playing with the Reese's and the Hershey's Kisses. Wow, look at these glasses from Dollar Tree. They look so luxurious. There's also a wine glass one that you can get with it. I think that these are beautiful. They remind me of something you would get at a more high-end store like Crate and Barrel. They have beautiful dinnerware there, but it's so expensive. That's what these remind me of. They have the bottle brush Christmas trees, and again, my favorite ones are the candy corn. They have such a beautiful selection of ones that don't have glitter and ones that do. This is also new, this twig garland. I really like it. The only thing is the glitter. Glitter is a gift that keeps on giving. You will find this for years to come all over your house. And then they got 25-foot tinsel garland. Pretty sure this is new as well. These are new this year in the Halloween section. They got these candy corn pumpkins, super cute. I actually really like those. They brought back the candy corn picks. They had these last year and they're a really good price because Michael's has these and they're like $2.99, I think. Now the ornaments, these sell out so quickly. When you see these, buy them. I'm telling you, they sell out so fast. Every single time I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to go to Dollar Tree to get some, and they're gone. So they have some beautiful ones this year that have a clear look to them and ones that have a clear, like, iridescent look to them. And the mini ornaments, I love these as well. These go fast. Like, look at this. It's already empty. They also have tree toppers, so like a star on the tree. They got a witch, a crow, a cat. That's all I see. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It is this candy corn throw pillow, so adorable.
I'm telling you guys, these candy corn pillows are my favorite Halloween pillows I've ever bought. I've bought a lot of Halloween pillows, and these are by far my favorite because I love the fake sweet look.
They have the sunflower collection, and again, they bring this out during like fall time and summertime, but I consider sunflowers fall. Let me know if you consider it fall or summer. Matt and I had this debate before. There's a whole bunch of different things to choose from. You got your glasses, table mats, bowls, mugs, more bowls, the salad plate, the dinner plate. Super cute. Twinning. Hey girl, hey. These are new to Dollar Tree, these tier trays for $5. And what I like about them is they're big. I thought they were gonna be the size of the Target ones that you see in the Bullseye Playground. No, they are a decent size. They got these solar lanterns in for fall. I just shared with you guys the Halloween ones a few weeks ago, but this time around, they got them for fall. There's a little bit of greenery. Their solar lanterns are amazing. Wait, this is not a solar lantern. This one is just a lantern. Which that kind of sucks because at least with the solar lantern, you don't have to turn it on every night. This one, you have to turn it on. So they're bringing in a bunch of fall crafting items as well. So don't worry, it's not just Halloween. They got pom-pom kits for kids. This scarecrow, literally terrifying. They've got the DIY woodcraft stuff, but let's focus on these new planters. I really like the look of these. These are new. There's thankful and blessed. Gather together and be grateful, and then simply blessed. They have the cookie cutters. They had these last year, and I absolutely love these chair covers. Look at how adorable they are. It's these scarecrow chair covers, and they got two different ones, the orange one and then the brown one.
These scarecrow chair covers are so cute. I'm sure you can DIY with these, and I hope they get some type of nutcracker one for Christmas.
These gnomes are much cuter than the gnomes for Halloween, that's for sure. And this is beautiful, this DIY would-be garland. They have the sunflower one. You got these little leaves right here. Oh, these are nice. Oh, and then ones with pumpkins already done for you. You don't have to make them. This harvest decor, these actually might work well inside of a vase. They got acorns, pumpkins. That's all I see. Yep, just those two.
I've used water beads in the past, and I recently saw on TikTok lots of people placing things inside of the water beads to look like they are floating. So I got 2 vases from Dollar Tree, filled them up with beads, and let me tell you, I put too many in there, so once they started to absorb the water, I had beads falling out. So I had to fix that. Once I had a decent amount of beads inside of the glasses, I started to put in my vase filler from Dollar Tree. So I was like, am I doing this wrong? Because you can still see the water beads, and on TikTok, you can't see the water beads. Well, I realized when the beads are big enough, you can pour water inside of the vase again to make it look like they disappeared. But it doesn't stay that way because they absorb the water again, so you're therefore going to see the water beads once more. So TikTok's fooling us. Don't be fooled. It goes back to just looking like water beads. It's still cool, but it's not going to stay like that clear look with the items just floating there.
These are also new this year. These, I don't know what they're called, but it's just like wood bead miniature wreaths. Oh wait, and more gnomes right here. These little buckets are new this year. They got a truck, autumn is calling, and hello fall. They got wreath hangers for fall as well, the thankful colorful one. I really like the bike one. Oh, that one's actually super cute. And then a sunflower. Oh wait, we missed this one, a pumpkin wreath hanger. But this one, I don't know, this one, something about this, that color, that bike, so cute. They also got your gnome picks. This one looks like Santa Claus. And then the gray one and the yellow one. A bunch of different ribbon to choose from as well. Always get the bows in every single year. And then these are new. These little signs, hooray for pumpkin spice, harvest blessings, hello fall, and then more gnomes. Dollar Tree loves gnomes. And then a bunch of fake corn. These are really good for like the rustic looking decor. These glasses are new to Dollar Tree, but what makes them unique is the bottle top. There are fairy lights. Sometimes you can get the fairy lights on its own, but this time around it comes with the glass. That's pretty nice. I only see 2 colors and 2 bottles. These trays are new, and I actually just used one. These round serving trays. So basically you use them for like pies and cakes and stuff. I just made a tier tray using these in my fall DIY video. I'll link it down below for you guys. And here's the difference between the one you can already buy and the one I made. They have these world's smallest figurines. I've seen this before at Walmart. So they have like horror characters, I guess, Halloween characters, the Invisible Man, Dracula, and Frankenstein. This is all just $1.25. It's not in the plus section. So they're just like miniature versions. These work well in like a mini tier tray. Oh, there's also this thing. I can't pronounce that. So they have licensed Batman Hot Wheel cars in this section. So there's like the normal ones where I just saw it. There's the normal ones that they always have, but then they have these ones. So it's like the classic Batman cars. I think I see the Joker back there. This room mist is new to Dollar Tree. It looks really fancy, the packaging. It says it's white soap amber scented. I purchased it, took it home, sprayed it, and what it smells like to me is just like a clean hotel room. That's what it smells like. So if you like the smell of clean hotel rooms, this is the room mist for you. How fun! These are new to Dollar Tree, the Sesame Street style studios with dough. So they got Elmo and Cookie Monster. Cooper actually owns this Play-Doh set where you cut the little guy's hair, and I think we paid around $10 for it on sale. This is pretty much the exact same thing. You put the Play-Doh inside of the little container that has either Elmo or Cookie Monster. Then there's this piece that you use to push it out. Then there are scissors and some combs that you can use to cut the hair or comb out the hair. I will say that when you try to comb it, the Play-Doh does fall off. Still, it's really entertaining for a young one and gets them to learn how to start cutting with scissors. Obviously, Cooper's not doing it right, but he's trying. Elmo comes with yellow and red Play-Doh, then Cookie Monster comes with blue and brown Play-Doh, and then the same pieces for both of them, the scissors, comb, and then the piece that you need to push out the Play-Doh. That's it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, thanks to June's Journey for sponsoring this video. They will be linked down below for you to check out. Also, I thought I was filming an outro, but the audio was messed up. Sounds horrible. Anyways, I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.